the formulas. You don't have to memorize any of this. If I put a problem like asking you to change a product into a sum or to change a sum into a product, I will give you the formula. Okay? So useful formulas, but I'm fine with what we have so far. No more formulas. That's it. Okay, so let's say we're asked in 55, we are given the product sine twice x multiplied by cosine 3x, and they're asking us to change it from a product, it is a product, into a sum. And here are the 4 formulas for product to sum. In our case, we have sine multiplied by cosine. Can anyone give us which one, the idea of which of these 4 formulas we are going to use? Yeah, sine cosine, that's fine. So this will be 1/2, and in brackets I will have sine and then cosine. The first one is the sum of the 2. So please give me the sum of these 2 angles. That's it. And then sine, sine of the first angle minus the second angle. First angle minus the second angle. What is that? Negative x. So 2x minus 3x, negative x. What do I know about sine of negative x? What type of function is sine? Is it odd or even? Good. So then sine, everything is odd except cosine and secant. That's okay. So this is 1/2 sine 5x, and then how do I simplify this with no parentheses? What do I write? Exactly. That's it. I changed the product into a sum. I would like to choose a problem going backwards, like 63. We are given cosine 4x minus cosine 6x. Now we are asked to change the difference into a product. And please tell me at the bottom of the page, which formula are we going to use? Cosine 4x minus cosine 6x. Very good. So I copy -2. Sine. The top is the sum. What is the sum of 4x plus 6x? Divided by 2. 5x. Multiplied by sine. The top. 4x minus 6x, which is -2x divided by 2. But negative x. Good. Sine is an odd function. And it will change the sign here. 2 sine 5x sine x. Any questions? Any questions? Useful formulas, but as I promised, no more formulas to remember. So let me come up with a list of formulas, okay, that I would like you to remember from this chapter. I would like you to remember sine alpha plus beta and minus. I would like you to remember cosine alpha plus beta with a minus also. Tangent, alpha plus or minus beta. Sine twice alpha, cosine twice alpha, tangent twice alpha. And here I'm adding 2 more. The sine squared, which is 1 minus cosine twice x over 2, and cosine squared x, which is 1 plus cosine 2x divided by 2. The last 2 that I'm going to write are identical with these. Nothing new, but I'm going to write them. Sine x over 2 equals plus or minus the square root of 1 minus cosine x over 2. And the cosine x over 2 equals plus or minus the square root of 1 plus cosine x over 2. No more formulas. That's it. Any questions? I would like us to work on one more identity, and I will let you work on it for a minute. 82. 4 times sine to the 6th plus cosine to the 6th equals 4 minus 3 sine squared to x.